Welcome back, YouTubers. So I've been looking on Facebook, and the new thing is to put corkboard in an old VHS box and then stick your pins inside. And this is Kenzie's. We got these VHS boxes at the Goodwill for $1. I just took the VHSs out of them. This is Kylie. She did a Little Mermaid. That's really nice, Kylie. You did a good job. Kenzie, you did a little Snow White set. Oh, cool. That's nice. And then Kylie did 101 Dalmatians. It's kind of a cute way to display your pins if you only have a few for the set. Here's my Lion King pins. Those are the only Lion King pins I own. I really don't have room for any more, but I'm definitely going to be collecting more. And then I did a Goofy one, and I didn't fill it up because I just started collecting Goofy. And
I like the bubble one.
Yeah.
I could trade it for Kylie.
Yep.
I'm about to think.
Anyways, I just got corkboard from the Goodwill, and I got there's like 4 in there. Do you see that? You need 2 for the inside of the VHS, and I just took the VHS out and traced it onto the corkboard and then cut it with regular scissors. It was super easy to cut, and if it's in there nice and tight, and then the pins kind of hold them together, so you don't even need to glue them together. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
That was a short video.